Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix all problem or error if you are facing on your JioHotstar app. Okay, so for this guys, as you can see guys, I am facing some error, something went wrong, something like this. So if you are facing any kind of problem error on JioHotstar, at that time guys, you can try this easy and simple method. Okay, so first, when you are facing any kind of issue, you need to check your internet connection on your phone. Okay, so 90% of the problem error reason behind is this guys, due to internet connection only. Okay, so first you need to sort out your internet issue. So the best thing is to check the internet, open any other app and try to browse app like YouTube, Google Chrome. Check your internet is working fine or not. In case the internet is working very perfectly fine on other app, only you are facing the problem in the JioHotstar, at that time guys, you can try this method. Okay, if you don't log in into a JioHotstar, you need to log in. Okay, so just tap on login button and simply select the account and enter the OTP and go to login. Okay, after login, it will fix your problem. After login, in case still you are facing the same type of problem error guys, now you can try the next method. Okay, so the next method is very simple. Open the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, open the App Store and simply update the app. Search the Hotstar, and if the app update is available, so simply go ahead, update your app. After updating, now you need to check your phone internal storage. Okay, you need to free up some internal storage. So if the storage is full, at that time, not only on JioHotstar, you can face the problem in other app as well. You need to free up some storage space and it will fix your problem. Now you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the app and check your problem was gone or not. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Okay, now you need to check your phone date and time setting. If the phone date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Open your phone settings, find out the date and time setting and open it, and you need to set date and time setting to automatically. Okay, after doing this guys, if you are connected to any VPN, you need to disconnect VPN as well from your phone. Go to your phone settings once again, go to more connection and open the VPN. If the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it from your phone. After doing this guys, now let's see your problem was solved or not. Open the JioHotstar app. Now check the issue. So in case still the problem is not gone from your app, now you can try the next method. Okay, now simply tap and hold on your Hotstar app, go to app info. Okay, like this, scroll down and find out storage, clear the cache and tap on clear data. So remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the app data, it will log out your account, it will reset, or if you have downloaded any offline videos on the app, it will also remove this from the app. So you need to remember this thing and then tap on delete. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, open the app. Now it will 100% fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple method to fix the JioHotstar problem errors, all problem and all errors on your phone. So that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.